Think of the heart as a super organized train station, picking up passengers along the way.
Yeah, and the veins are like trains bringing the passengers back to the station. The biggest ones, the superior and inferior vena cava, deliver deoxygenated blood to the right atrium.
The right atrium is basically like a waiting room. It holds that blood briefly before being sent into the tricuspid valve, which then is sent into the right ventricle.
The valves are like one-way doors. They only open in one direction, so they don't allow blood to backflow into the wrong direction.
And inside the ventricles, you've got the papillary muscles and the chordae tendineae. Think of them like a parachute cord or seat belts. They keep the valve flaps from flipping backwards when pressure builds.
Once the right ventricle contracts, it sends a strong push of blood into the pulmonary valve, which then goes to the pulmonary arteries, which heads to the lungs.
So now the blood heads to the lungs, and it picks up oxygen, and almost like picking up supplies on a train. It picks up oxygen, and this oxygenated blood heads back into the heart.
But this time, it returns through the pulmonary veins into the left atrium. That's one of the only times that veins carry oxygen-rich blood.
The left atrium is like another waiting room. It holds that blood briefly before entering, now, the bicuspid valve, which enters the left ventricle.
The left ventricle is like the main engine room of the train. It has the thickest walls because it has to pump blood throughout the entire systemic system, through the whole body. So it has to be the stronger of the two ventricles.
When it contracts, blood is forced through the aortic valve into the aorta, which is like the main highway leaving the station.
From there, arteries branch out like roads, sending all the oxygen-rich blood to all the tissues.
So if we sum it up, veins bring blood into the heart and arteries carry it away. The atria receive and the ventricle pump, and the valves keep traffic moving smoothly in one direction.
And the papillary muscles and chordae tendineae, they're a safety system, making sure nothing backfires under pressure.
Basically, it's a non-stop, perfectly timed transportation system.
And that's how blood flows through the heart.
And that's how blood flows through the heart.